Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this two AI platform, which is SproutSocial and Blaze AI. So get started with a quick overview and the easy comparison. SproutSocial remains a premium choice in 2025 for enterprise-level social media engagement or management, offering a deep analytics, robust population, social listening, and a collaboration tools. It's built for marketing teams that manage multiple brands for clients, needs everything from CRM integration to audience management or engagement tracking. And talking about Blaze AI on the other side is a newer AI-powered tools focused on automated content creation, smart scheduling, and simplicity. It aims at creators, solopreneur, and small business who want a fast, efficient posting with the help of AI-generated prompt and workflow. This AI also emphasizes on speed and usability over granular data. So talking about what these two platforms are best for. So starting with the Blaze AI, it is best for solopreneur and creators looking for AI assistant content growth. And talking about the Sprout is best for large teams, agencies, and brands managing complex campaign. And here is the downside about these two platforms. Starting with the Sprout, the downside is as an expensive, and it can overkill the small team with the expensive of, and also has a steep learning curve. I'm talking about basic AI. That's a limited reporting and no deep analytics, and it also lacks some social listenings and CRM tools. So here's the very conclusion. So you can simply choose SproutSocial if you need enterprise level control, insight, and a collaboration. So it's the gold standard for teams managing large multi-platform organization or operation with a need for deep analytics. On the other side, you can simply pick Blaze AI if you are a content creator or a small business needing a light AI enhanced tools that speed up your content in pipeline and post schedule without the overhead of data heavy features. So let me know in the comment section what's your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.